Alright, welcome to Random Acts of Carving. Today I got a piece of, this is a pine knot. This is a beautiful little pine knot. Man, you can do a lot of things with this, but I think I can get a parrot right here somewhere. I think it's going to be his face right here. His hat's going to be up here. It's going to be a parrot. Parrot. So pirate sidekick, and I think we're going to try to dress him up a little bit, give him some piratey detail if we can get in here and get some decent wood to carve. So stick around and we're going to make this thing cool looking. Alright, and we're carving. This is a cool little pine knot I had laying around, and I apologize in advance. I did a lot of carving underneath of his hat here and didn't realize I was turning it so that you couldn't see it in the camera. So I'm doing just trying to show a little bit of the highlights of where I was carving out from underneath of the hat. Had to dig back in a little further, and I had hoped to get a little bit of decent wood. It's pretty soft down where his chest was going to be, underneath of his beak there, and even his beak was pretty soft. It was enough I could get the shape in there. I just kind of went with that. Cameraman went a little crazy. We got a little bit of snow in Florida, so I went ahead and built a snowman, and that's what he looked like. And we're going back to making a parrot. I said the wood was kind of soft, so wasn't putting in a lot of detail. I was just trying to get the general shapes of stuff, get his eyes in the right place, and his beak was a little bit crooked because of the way the wood was. I just went with it. Just cutting in some feather detail. I was able to do it with the diamond bit burrs. And just kind of blending it back into the wood as the wood grain went across there. I just kind of blended everything back in with that. Once I got the general shape and got his eyes kind of cut in, a little bit of feather detail, I went ahead and decided to paint him up and just go a little bit more extreme with the paint. Try to get a little bit of the finer detail in with the paint. And add some of those beautiful colors. This is one of those ones that was a lot of fun to paint. Alright, I hope this isn't too dark. I'm going to, kind of hard to tell. I got a bright sunshine in the camera here, or beside the camera, or all around me. Trying to do this in the shade and get you guys a look at this thing. I'll try to get a better shot of it too out in the sun a little bit, maybe get these colors show up. But anyways, got the carving done. Couldn't get as much detail in it as I thought I was going to be able to. This got really soft down in here, so it just wanted to fall apart. So, but I made up for it with a paint job. So just fix it up. If you can't get the detail you want with the carving, you can always go back to the paint and paint it up and make it look cool. I love how this turned out. My wife really liked this one, so must be half decent. So anyways, like the video, give me a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.